Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice payasam. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1/4 cup of rice, 4 cups of whole milk, and half a cup of sugar. Begin by washing the rice thoroughly under running water until it runs clear. Then, soak the washed rice in a small bowl of water for about 15 minutes. This step helps the rice cook more evenly and quickly, ensuring a creamy texture. Next, drain the soaked rice completely, discarding the soaking water. Transfer the drained rice to a heavy-bottomed pot or pan. Pour in the 4 cups of milk. Place the pot on low to medium heat and bring it to a gentle simmer, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Continue to cook, stirring frequently, until the rice is very soft and the milk has thickened, which usually takes about 30 to 40 minutes. Once the rice is tender and the mixture is creamy, it's time to add the sweetness. Stir in the half cup of sugar until it completely dissolves into the payasam. Now, for that aromatic touch, add about 1/4 teaspoon of green cardamom powder. You can also add a pinch of saffron strands if you like. Continue to simmer the payasam for another 5 to 7 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully together. For the final touch, heat 1 tablespoon of ghee in a small pan. Add your favorite chopped nuts like almonds or cashews and a few raisins. Fry them until golden brown and fragrant. Pour this aromatic tempering directly into the payasam and stir gently. Serve your delicious rice payasam warm or chilled. It's a perfect dessert for any occasion. Also, for more great tips, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.